In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet round 1 of the head for my Monkey Lovey pattern. We'll be working in the neck plate straight into the body where we left off. You should have 36 stitches on your project after finishing the body, and the neck plate should also have 36 stitches on it. So there should be 1 stitch on the neck plate for every stitch on your work. Before we get started, make sure the wrong side of the neck plate is facing up. So grab your project and let's get crocheting.
Let's crochet the neck plate into the body by lining up the first stitch of the last round of that neck plate with the next stitch on the body and single crochet them together. Continue making these single crochets through both pieces all the way around. Try and keep your tension tight to get a really good join, and don't be in a rush with this round. It's okay to readjust the pieces to line up the stitches so you don't skip any, and be careful you don't work into the same stitches more than once. You could use stitch markers to help you keep the neck plate in place, but I find they just get in my way. So just take your time with this round and enjoy the process.
When you're done crocheting this round, make sure you take some time to count the total number of stitches. You should have 36, but it's pretty easy to skip a stitch or add a stitch. If you haven't already purchased the pattern, I'll leave a link in the description when it becomes available. Crocheting the rest of the head is going to get exciting, so make sure you come back for those next tutorials. Thanks for crocheting with me today, and thanks for watching.